Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some stewed turkey drumsticks. So for this recipe, I'm going to start with my bell peppers and seasoning peppers. Here I have some fresh thyme, garlic, onion, some sea salt, some adobo, black pepper, ground turmeric, some garlic powder, and here I have my turkey drums. I'm also going to be doing the brown sugar method, so I'm going to be using some sugar and some oil. Let's get right into the recipe. So I'm going to start with seasoning up my turkey drumsticks. So I'm going to go in with my garlic, my onion. Next I'm going in with my peppers, some of my thyme. I'm going in with my dry seasoning. I'm starting with my black pepper, garlic powder, adobo, turmeric, sea salt, almost forgot this. Okay, let's mix everything together. Okay, so it is all seasoned. I'm going to put some plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. Now, overnight is even better. And I'll be right back with the rest of the recipe. And I'm using white sugar this time. Usually I use brown sugar. And right at this point, okay. So I don't want all that also good liquid to dry up. I don't want it to dry up, so I'm gonna start going in with the water. Look at this beautiful gravy, yo. Jeez. It's looking good, it's smelling good. I'm gonna add a little more water and allow it to boil for 30 minutes. Okay, so I just put the water in, waiting for it to come to a boil, and I'm gonna cover it up, let it boil for 30 minutes. This sauce is looking so good though. And then right before it really starts bubbling up some more, I'm going in with my Scotch bonnet pepper. Just placing it right in the middle right here. Okay. You can see pieces falling out, so you know it's good. I'm just going to cook it for about 3 more minutes and then it will be done.